What if I told you you can train your English listening skills without spending a single dollar on a tutor?
Seriously? No expensive classes, no fancy apps, just real, smart methods that work.
Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm here to guide you through today's episode, where we'll unlock simple yet powerful tips to boost your English skills.
And I'm Jack. Together, we'll walk you through real-life tips and stories that'll make English easier and more fun. Whether you're on a bus, cooking, or walking your dog, you can still improve your English starting today.
This episode is all about how to improve your English listening skills. No tutor, no stress. Let's dive in and learn how to listen smarter, not harder.
Okay, Jessica, let's be honest. When most people hear practice listening, they think of boring textbooks or hard-to-understand podcasts, right?
Yes, and sometimes they think they need a private tutor to improve, but that's not true. You can become a better English listener right from your bedroom or your favorite cafe.
Exactly. The secret? You need the right habit. A small daily habit is more powerful than one big lesson each week.
Totally agree. So let's break it down. The first trick? Start with easy, fun content that you actually enjoy.
Don't choose something too difficult. If you don't understand anything, your brain gets tired fast. You'll feel bored, you'll give up.
But if you choose something just a little higher than your level, like cartoons, simple podcasts, or even YouTube videos made for English learners, it becomes fun.
I remember one of my students, Hannah. She was from Vietnam and had never talked to a foreigner, but she loved K-dramas with English subtitles. She watched 15 minutes a day. Just 15.
And after 3 months?
Boom! She could understand English conversation 3 times faster. No tutor, just her phone, and her favorite drama.
That's such a good story. Okay, second tip, repeat listening.
Yes. Don't just listen once. The magic happens when you repeat.
Let's say you listen to a 2-minute video. The first time, just listen. The second time, look at the subtitles. The third time, pause and repeat out loud.
That's called shadowing. It's super useful. You copy the speaker's tone, rhythm, and pronunciation. It feels like karaoke, but with English.
And it really trains your brain. Suddenly, words that felt fast before sound clear and slow.
Another habit? Make it part of your routine. Don't wait for the perfect time. Add English to things you already do.
Exactly. Are you washing dishes? Play an English podcast. Walking to school? Listen to an English song.
On the bus? Try short English videos. Even if you're tired, 5 minutes is better than 0 minutes.
Here's a tip I give my students. Create a playlist. Name it My English Brain Booster. Add all your favorite short videos, songs, or podcast clips.
Then just press play. Don't overthink it. Just enjoy.
Also, don't worry if you don't understand 100%. Focus on the feeling, the tone, and some key words.
Yes, and remember, babies don't understand full sentences, but they listen every day, and soon they start speaking.
You're not a baby, of course, but the idea is the same. Listening every day builds your English ear.
Exactly. And here's another quick win. Talk to yourself.
Oh, I love this one. After listening to something, try to say it back. Like, she went to the store, or that movie was amazing.
Even one sentence is great. You're building the connection between your ears and your mouth.
No tutor needed, just you and your voice.
I used to do this when I learned Spanish. I'd watch a 2-minute video and try to copy just one part. That made me feel more confident when I finally spoke to real people.
That's the goal. Feel confident, not perfect. You're not preparing for an exam. You're preparing for real life.
All right, let's do a quick recap of these habits.
1. Choose easy, fun content. 2. Repeat listening. Watch 2-3 times. 3. Shadow the voice. Speak after the speaker. 4. Add English to your daily routine. 5. Talk to yourself. Yes, it works.
These 5 habits are simple, but they really work. You don't need a tutor. You just need a routine, a little fun, and some patience.
And remember, English is not a race, it's a journey. One small step today becomes big progress next month.
So, are you ready to become your own English coach?
Let's go. But first, Jack, let's take a small pause here.
Sure thing. Hey friend, what do you think so far?
You want to change or add anything?
So Jessica, here's the thing a lot of learners ask. How do I understand native speakers when they speak so fast?
Yes, that's such a common question. And here's the secret. You don't need to catch every word. You just need to catch the main idea.
Exactly. Native speakers connect words, cut sounds, and talk fast. But if you focus on key words, you'll still understand.
Let's do a quick test. Jack, say a sentence fast. I'll show how we can break it down.
All right. Hey, do you want to grab some coffee later?
Whoa, that sounds fast, right? But let's slow it down. Hey, do you want to grab some coffee later?
Do you want to became Joanna. That's what we call connected speech.
So when you listen, train your ear for these shortcuts. Phrases like gonna, going to, wanna, want to, lemme, gotta, got to.
They're super common in real life. And once you recognize them, listening becomes so much easier.
Another trick? Use transcripts when possible.
Yes, listen with subtitles first, then try again without subtitles. That helps your brain remember the sounds.
Also, pause and repeat short parts. For example, listen to just 5 seconds. Pause, repeat it, say it out loud.
That's chunk practice. You train your brain to understand and speak in small groups of words.
And one of my favorite methods is using songs to improve listening.
Yes, songs are perfect. They're short, emotional, and full of real-life English.
Pick a slow English song. First, listen and enjoy. Then read the lyrics. Then sing along.
You don't need to sound perfect. You're not on The Voice. You're just having fun and training your ears.
Jack, do you remember any song that helped you when learning English?
Totally. When I was a kid, I loved Let It Be by the Beatles. It's slow, simple, and beautiful.
Good one. For beginners, songs by Ed Sheeran, Bruno Mars, or even Disney movies work great.
And speaking of Disney, watching movies or shows with English subtitles is golden.
Yes, start with English subtitles, then watch again without them. It builds listening power and memory.
Here's a mini challenge for you listening right now. Tonight, choose a 3-minute English video. Watch it twice. First with subtitles, then without. Tomorrow, try to retell what you heard in your own words.
And if you're shy, just say it out loud to yourself. That's real practice.
Let's be real. It's okay to feel a little awkward at first. That means your brain is growing.
Exactly. Real practice feels a bit uncomfortable, but that's a sign you're learning.
And don't forget the power of consistency. 10 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week.
That's how you build a habit, and once English becomes part of your day, your progress takes off.
So, quick list of listening tricks without a teacher.
1. Focus on keywords, not every word.
2. Learn common shortcuts. Gonna, wanna, etc.
3. Use transcripts and subtitles.
4. Practice with short audio chunks.
5. Use songs and sing along.
6. Watch English shows twice. First with subs, then without.
7. Retell what you heard.
8. Practice every day. Even 5 minutes counts.
You got this. You don't need a teacher to get better. You just need the right habits and the courage to keep going. That's right. Your progress is in your hands and your ears and your heart.
All right, friend. Ready to wrap things up with a power summary?
Let's do it. But first, would you like to change or add anything? Wow, that was a great session today. We learned that you don't need a tutor to become a better English listener.
That's right. Let's quickly review what we covered, step by step.
First, build your own listening habit. Just 10 minutes a day can change everything.
Second, choose fun and simple content. Enjoy the process.
Third, repeat listening. Use subtitles, then remove them. Copy what you hear.
Fourth, use music, shows, and real-life conversations. They're your best teachers.
And finally, stay consistent. Even if you feel slow today, your future self will thank you.
You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going.
So now it's your turn. Start today. Pick a video, a song, or a podcast you enjoy and press play.
And hey, if you like this episode,
Like the video.
subscribe to the channel.
Leave a comment below. We want to hear how you practice English listening.
And most important,
Practice what you've just learned.
this is Jack signing off.
And Jessica, thanks for joining us on the Achieve English podcast channel. See you in the next episode.